वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ दिस. So this is parsley. The main ingredients of parsley I have to use, and this is our mince, that is meat mince, and this is beef mince. So what I have taken few parsley from our garden. Then I will tell you what I am going to make, but first of all we will do this base. So this is the base. So we will add half cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. You can use whole also. Then we need some lime juice, seeds you can discard it. Then we need 1 egg, salt to taste, then some paprika, that is around 1 teaspoon. Then we will add some cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. So this is the flavor. Then we need something more, and so we need some chilies, green chilies, around 2-3 green chilies, some parmesan cheese, which I am going to grate along with this. That's it. Okay, and I will add this parsley now, so that all go together. And we'll grate this, or you can mince it on the mixer. Here it is done. And now we'll mix this on. And now 1 egg. And let's mix this all together. Okay, so this is our base and it's done. Our base is done. Check the salt. So now let's make some meatball out of this. So just take how big, how small meatballs. I've already have another recipe, just check, and these are meatballs. So like this only you make how many meatballs you want. Keep it, store it. Whenever you want to make curry of meatball, you can make that also. So here is our meatballs ready just to go in the gravy. Let's fry this our meatballs. Okay, meatballs you can either fry or you can steam or you can bake or you can just cook it in little bit of water, whichever, or directly in the gravy. I'm frying this. Okay, the oil is hot and we will just fry this shallow fry. And then you can store it and keep it, and whenever you want to make anything out of this, just make it. Flip flop it slowly. Because we want to fry it on the sides. Okay, so that it doesn't break. But the shape is also there. And here it is ready, and put off the gas and it's done. Thank you. Now let's make our meatball curry. Welcome again to Wells Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. Manda tumi sogli bori astiri saudani bolaikin, and today we will do a Goan meatball curry. And for that we need 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, this much of ginger, around 5 garlic flakes. I'm taking 3 green chilies, and this is our homemade rechado masala. So if anybody wants to learn how to make rechado masala, then comment in the description box or comment in the comment section and I will share you. So 2 tablespoons of Goan rechado masala and 3 tomatoes. So tomatoes, chilies, garlic, ginger and onion we have to grind to a fine paste. So let's grind this. So here it is ready, and we need 1 whole coconut thick juice. Okay, so these are the ingredients what we need now to make our curry, meatball curry and our rechado masala. So now we'll add few curry leaves. And our onion, tomato, puree or paste you can see, and then fry this nicely for a few minutes. Let the rawness of this go. That's why cook this for a few minutes, like 5-10 minutes. Now we'll add our masala to this. Our Goan rechado masala paste. and mix this all together. So mix it nicely, cook for a while, and then after that we will add salt to taste, and what we fried are that also we will add into this. Add our this also, so the flavors goes. Then we'll add our salt and we'll leave our meatballs into this. Water as per how you want. So meatball curry is always thicker side. After that, coconut juice will go. Now we'll add our salt to taste. We'll add salt to taste. So now we'll add our meatballs. Meatballs are ready to go in the curry. Now we'll cover this and cook this. Okay. Cover and cook. Now we will add our coconut juice and let it get cooked with this for at least 10 minutes. Check the salt after adding the coconut milk. आम्ही म्हणतात नाल्लाचो रोस. So tasty the curry is. Try and do this, okay? Now we'll cover this slow flame for 10 minutes. And here our Goan meatball is ready. That is beef meatball curry is ready. And try this recipe and enjoy. Manta तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली ही आमची गोवन meatball curry. Thank you. Meatball शिजले. बरे भशेन खायात. Have it with bread, pulao or anything. Thank you. Make your Christmas special. Thank you.
Lovely, tasty Goan meatball curry. Looks yummy with a homegrown celery, parsley, and kale garnish. Enjoy.